Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Biyake gima omwanchi omulielia no gosemerera kwana nakobere ko gutwara sabato erengi yake gima nebiro binde na nditokumira na asemesa yamangana majia elinde ngumanyie na rebereka gokorekana korwa chingongo chensi inyichense talikini sana ne mochi mutinyo gatana kabiro mwaka w'ikiri bubere 2024 ense yamo yabona margoba asinero beire bwekano gokoretera amangana majia asenchira iyo bwekerano Nyero mwanchi umurigerelia na wakwenda kutubwatia asinsemo chichi mitandao, asinsemo ya Facebook, Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube, Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Iritere nekerubo Frida, nulio kwenye na chibi chane, liyo gira wikira sole asinchira ya bene nere Petra Mukira, na asinsemo chibi orkele ni otukubwatenere Lydia Mose. Chinga kitoroche ababuatani anene kurwa ase byombe bitali bya serikali bagendete weso kya bene nabo igogo siro mwana munyaruka wetera okwena na kwibitamba byo bochenu ase okwene kibna mwana munyaruka ngo tigarale skuru nabo igokogendera kwenyorera kisemi nabo igo ase orobotronde ni go abamenyi kurwa ase kenyero gya keumbu Ensemeria eremo baba bakubuka emambe yabonega no muchano magega yo konyoro musacha oyo moga sireti ubugima bwaye asenchira yobo tutukano nabigo magayo morai bwense agotuguterarengana yabakora imirimo beserekali bokorwa kibesa asemichango nigegati yababunge babere bagwesoke bene nabo igokwa okoboko enganeyo asbabiri bakwanike bina eyo nenchireyemo iyo kurwania obukurumi mwanchi umurgerelia ayongati yali nkwaliganete asomogorobolero toskatonyegera ngwira nanda segekeke kirbosio elinde ngumanya mange asenchira iyo bwagali Mwanchi umurirelia ngo kwaligane bene linde tobeto gusanga asobwamo gochaka bona igago ika omwelyo ama yaye bire bigani go tukwechaka kurwa sorongo rwa busim asengu kumenya buna nigo ekyombe gya Michael Mutume Foundation abakubwaterana na kele gya Smart Girl Foundation babere bakwenana ebitamba byo bochenu gochya ase abana be skuru ya secondary ya St Thomas linda kwenekya bunango tkonye kabale chinga kiri bagotwa eniga abakabakorekana ase bunge elia yabo basi bunenchire yemoyo kwenekya buna omwana omunyaruka gogendrale gotigara eskuru nabo igo konyora kisemi wikirano okwana abagwatani kurwa senseme yoni go bairera ekiringa kyabo kigosira omwana omunyaruka asensemo yabana abo bakogokera egetamu kirekyo nabigo kugania abagwatani bande bwesoke bene elinde gusira abana abo nakweneke bnanko genda bale konyora kisemi umulikito Julie Kerubo na mange
Bunenchere ya moyo kwenekya buno mwana omunyaruka ngo tigarara ase skuru nabo igokogenda n'amasoma ekyombe kya Michael Mutume Foundation gekobwaterana na Smart Girl Foundation nigo kiena nebitamba byo bochenugo cha sabana be skuru ya secondary ya St Thomas Turwa iyo gotoka sebunge ya basi.
Tumekuja kuambia wasichana wasikuwe na uoga wakifika mambo yao ya hedhi. We are here to encourage the boys to accept mambo ya periods and to end period stigmatization and to end period poverty. Tuko pamoja and we still continue to do this community projects.
Nigo bakwanero muchanda abana banyaruka bagwetera anene monase chinsemo cha mashinani ase bate babuna ebitambe ebi nigo bigocha byoni gurigori ritari goikerwa n'abayibori. Eye nige kogera abayibori gotanyara kugora ebitambe ebi na koirera abana boigo koba chinsemo cha isiko.
Challenge which most students are facing actually is the shule za mashinani, because that's where we focus mostly. The parts are really expensive. At the moment the cheapest is 80 bob and the highest is almost 200 or 120. I really don't know. But the challenge mostly is kupata hizo pads. Unapata familia iko na watoto 5, sasa mama atashughulikia nunue pads ama atanunua unga.
Nigo babori bono eserekari korento moroberio bwokwena nebitamba ebyo guchesa abana banyoroka be secondary na taribe chiskuru choboroso na JSS boka. Eye nechigo konya abana bali bakorwa chinka chitari kwenyara.
The government rolled out the sanitary towels program for the JSS and the lower primary schools. We appreciate that, but also can you consider bringing that program back to the high schools and the higher levels of education so that everyone can get access to dignity and health materials and hygiene materials.
Most of the ladies pia hapa mashinani, they are still ashamed of them having their periods, but we want to make them understand that it's normal. Every month for a lady, it's normal. As much as you are normal, it's okay for you to have your pads. You're not supposed to be ashamed of.
Anya nabonige byombe byo byena na maigerio igoro yo komenya anene mono asamaro irari atongeta abana banyaruka botanga marita bwango nabo igo gotanyora maroire amange.
Supplying the pads, we usually give them a mentor. Tunaongelesha about the mental health and all that, because you get most of these ladies wako hapa mashinani, a lot is happening to them. Unapata yani wanakuwa affected na a lot huku ndani hawajaelewa mambo mingi. Unapata wako na GBV, early pregnancies, these kama tuseme kama HPV, or they don't understand endometriosis, they don't understand that, and they don't know who to talk to. FGM here, they don't know who to talk to. So most times when we come here, we make sure tuko na expertise wenye wanakuja wanawaelezea, wanawaelekeza mingi, they get to understand, si wao pekee wanapitia. Alafu
Omwemsi omachore Damaris Chanchoka niga semia abana banyoroka gotiga gosoka asengencho banyore bitambe byo byobochenu nonde tabasa gosoka gotagende skuru asichintamero cyo gotatwara ebitambe byo.
Mambo ile ya kusema I'm on my period, I should not go to school. This is freedom. This is what? Freedom. Ndio sababu tunasema kwamba taxi rudi chini venye imerudi so that you can be comfortable in school. Si ndio? Yes. So girls, you are free. You come to school ukiwa na sanitary pad yako uko salama. Si ndio? Yes. So hakuna ile ya kusema I'm on menses, I should not go to school. Si ndio? Yes. So be in school full na Mungu awasaidie na mpite. No girl should be at home because hakuna period. Si ndio? Yes. Kila msichana akae shuleni hata kama hakuna nini na period.
Ingo ripoti rigita seni Kendizi TV editorial Julie Kerubo.
Mbiyamano sana omulikecho Julie Kerubo asogotwaliganiria oroboti oro asenchira yowekerano. Otikana nayo manchi mulielia ni gotobuska busio ase oroboti ronde hasito kumulikira oroboti ro wechane kigima urwase kenyoro gya eremo ikikegotoka imeye wodi ya Keumbu ebunge ya Nyaribali Chache County ya Kisi ase eyamate eyamoya bage kuboka no mwichano emambya ya lero Magayo musacho yomo umubiro ye gutuka ase amachime kolingana nabamenyi bense meyo ni kubaba goichania egekorekyo asikulinde baba kumanyigwa no yomo bwaba matekurwa chinse mecho chingaki ali gutambuka obarora no nyana bo nigo omongina onyagusira abagakwera buna nigo omugakoye abetega kumugora obutko asikulinde baba kunyora omuberoye nigo egotebekana buna nigo abakagusiria obuguma bwaye kubwatikana no butumiki ebwamarwa
Tevenurina mama no yomwabo mumuro yose yomwabo isu mumuro yose rete bona anyorisi mibono mambia kwa mabo mino wawetero jeremo ono tigato tebenga uko nuko gani kwa nyasaye nero koira ono yominta atiekero kwana Wami gaki umumuro no mwana okwirigeria no mufundi aro mason gari kuino kakuruye gasi agacha kanyora accident on the bridge tabadari gaki abana bwate n'abasinini or well wishers nabo mugutu bwatesia asoko gendereria umurubiri uyu
Richard Bikeli Magere okono gukumia kwa nenege kogera oyosite no oyo minte kasi ni ane tatu mwabo na tatu minto na bamo nyanche gona regoche kanisa gaige korukwera moroche ege sieke be munango ikaga ntara ike kanisa ngo ibunga omuntu rakwete roche gaiga akarongo chago charocha na chakonyaranga no yo minto kwete bono timanye tinga ngikia muri age kogera igara macheime bono ntumanye tinga igagwete kurubora robo igora kago kana guchasirige na rikamwaka lakini ene mune korora kana nerige nandira magana nari kurunse na igoro itaracha ngotenge chire ya magogo kenga asobwenge ntumanye tinya sawo manyete okure otigira abana bake abana babere okure otigire omungina omusibati oyo nomoke kento kende tikeya asenkeya ngona ari kuburia baria bari no kugania okuyaga akibatokonye bakonye familia yaya irinde nabarabu gose mbanyore ogusira kunde gose
sabe na chile kuruke umbuga na ibu ne kasi nyanere umete yani kwete garoje na tige kasi na kana ne kasi ana jopo bari na yitika na chigoro kwamba maki no main anyore no main na ruro rega bana na mayando katinga yitini kyamuru kuroje atinde yeso na rumai tunga dimana mwana
ngona ati naenda nachikorigia mabere kiumongi na batsebo ko ngakira ngano ngikero guto ngomatebi yayo guto ngikeronje tindaigwa mbono nachire mbwata mabere akeiga gotereka amabere arinze nando ko ngakira ngakwamanyira ye olina agakwete nko boli batseba gaki olina okwa olina konya narwarete ogo toyora na togo chikominyo gatogo ikaroche obo maana tu anyori mwana ojo geringane tiroche gaki dande nera konyo mwana to bwate kenyoro to konyete gaki gati ke bingwerere gaki serikali to konye gaki gati ke bingwerere bike gaki bitare ndeke konye nero korigio konyera abana baye gaki bono ntumanyeti ntunkorbo mwagi osigisa bo mwagi gaki narayi
Oscar Busio asaya ndeni goyo kulikia ekirego ky'obubunge ime ya Bonchari Eric Nyabwingi nigabaga kurwa ogusira gucyasa omwana omunyaruka asoko enana ebitamba byobochenu asechискuru ime ya Bonchari gati y'ekискuru kirkyaba kigokonye kanga mone skuru ya Vaiseke ikia skuru ya Ensemeli ya Nyamokenye Matingo Nyabinwa Omugumo Nyangoge Mwati Nyasagati negati yechinde chinyingi gokwana kora senseme cyo nigabagwatani ababa wekera na senseme yo baba kuri eira kwani kibuna umwana omunyaruka oberega kwenyorera kisemi wekerano.
Kuna zawadi ambayo tumewaletea hivi leo hii na hawa wasichana watawapea. Sababu ya wakati huu alionelea ya kuwa shule yenu iwe moja yao kwa zile shule ambazo zitapokea sanitary towels kwa muhula huu wa pili.
Leo ni siku yetu, si ndio? Being a girl child, you must protect yourself, si ndio? Yes. Sasa sisi tumetumwa hapa na mheshimiwa mtarajiwa Eric Nyabwingi, si ndio? And amesema wasichana lazima wakuwe shuleni. So tunawaombea mema, si ndio? Na msidanganywe pale nje tuenda kununuliwa sanitary towel na mheshimiwa amefanya nini? Amejitolea kuwasaidia nyinyi kama wasichana so that ndio mkue shule kila siku. Sikuna mwenye hapa sahi mzazi hawezi manage kupata hiyo. And you know yourself.
We're very much thankful and grateful to you. Now we have received this that is going to enable us to be consistent in school. Now we thank you and please go on in helping other girls. These things can be very much challenges to other girls to get that make some girls to stay at their homes because they don't have it, but we are very much grateful. Thank you.
Kwa majina ni Nicole Nyaboke kutoka shule ya sekondari ya Nyavimwa na tunashukuru kwa kutuletea My Girl. Tunashukuru mheshimiwa mtarajiwa Eric Nyabwingi kwa kutuletea na kutukumbuka. Asante.
The principal of the school, Dr. Ian Secondary School. We thank the Honorable Eric Nyabwingi for giving us this abbreviation, this token. The girls have been consistently coming to school and like the formative times. So we like to thank him most sincerely for the gift. We bless him and we pray for him.
My name is Christine Mokira. We are here having this project of this foundation of starting to assist young children, like assisting them with sanitary towels, giving them shoes, and more of the projects are coming soon. We as Nyaboingi family, we are here to assist this generation.
It is a fine day that God has enabled us to see this day, and we appreciate you guests for bringing us these things because they are going to help us. Most of us, I think we did not come, we came from home without these. Okay? Yes. So if you don't have, make sure you keep it. Go and thank him and tell him that Nyasagati family has said thank you and thanks so much. Okay?
Magiga y'umurayibwense wotuguterengana y'abakora imirimo b'eserikali korwa kibesa ase emichango ningo bonegati y'ababunge babere bawe soke bene nabo igokomwa okoboko okwana egati y'ababunga bo nigo bayenekebuna yunenchereyemo yo gukora obukurumi obwabere bokwenekigwa asa matkamange anena sensemo y'eserikali singa kicho boigo nigo bamokoboko kubwatikana n'ebitambukire byaberega kuimukya ase korongi ya serikali yaye anene ase okorusia chiabisi ase kolende bamugania kweneke blango kyani ale chiwizara nabo igo buchibwatani kweneke bna babire bagwekera ekerengo kelia keganiri.
So on behalf of the people of Baringo Road, we support 100% reduction of redundant parastatols or being matched. We support 100% the suspension of CASs. We support 100% on withdrawal of any budget that was allocated to the office of the First Lady, Second Lady, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Lady, and so we continue to ask the President, even the number of permanent secretaries, if it is possible, match the ministries, reduce the number of PSS from 51 to 27, and then match some of the ministries so that we can have quality work being done in our cabinet. Even our budget in parliament, it has also been slashed. So we support the austerity measures, and we are telling President William Ruto, go, listen to the people of Kenya and implement. This is an opportunity that nobody will harass you. Implement everything that is right to save this country and improve our economy and build it from here to a prosperous Kenya.
Sisi tumefurahia jinsi amechukua hatua na tunaunga yeye mkono. Mambo ya mchango the harambee ambayo rais ameweza kutaja. Kama rais amesema, nani ataenda kando ya rais? Tunahurumia tu kwamba watu wetu tumezoea tabia hii, na ilikuwa ni njia ya kusaidiana kwa wale wachiwezi, wale wakonjwa, wale wengine ambao wamekuwa wachiwezi, mambo ya kanisa. Ilikuwa ni njia taratibu na ni tabia ya Wakenya harambee. Tumesaliwa tukiwa na harambee. Lakini sasa kwa sababu ya uchumi na kwa sababu ya finance bill, hiyo ndio vitu finance bill inalainisha, kwa sababu inasemekana kwamba katika harambee corruption inaingia hapo, mambo mengi inaingia hapo, na kwa sababu rais amesema leo kwamba hakuna harambee. Si hakuna harambee, simeisha hivyo. So hakuna harambee, tusisumbuane, tuheshimu rais, tuende hiyo barabara ni
Kaunti nigo chigendete kwirubiria nabo igokubika emirubirio ase okwenekia obukoreri nabo igamagendero ase chinsemo Meye kaunti ya Embu nigo ebunge ye kaunti yo yaberiga korosia budget bilioni 5.3 emo asababiri bakobeka chibesa ase chinsemo ichikirabe chiwikirania obukoreri obwo asensemo y'obwagati bw'ekinyagitali nigo babiri bakobeka milioni 95.3 nabo igo asensemeri ekibasari nigo babekire milioni 105 nabo igasensemeri amachi nabo igo kwenekya nga gukunya bale ebisima nigo babiri bakobeka milioni 15.3
second part of the station. A child of Embu County who is at either the vocational training center or the secondary schools will benefit from a bursary contribution of 105 million. The entire county. Mr. Speaker, we are expecting to have almost 5 kilometers of tarmac in this county from this allocation, well spread in all the sub-counties in this county, that is Bere North, Bere South, Runyenjes and Manyata.
Bajeti ya leo ni ya mwananchi, kwa sababu kusema ukweli hii budget ndio itafanya kazi kuliko budget zingine ziliko hapo mbeleni kwa mwananchi. Ukienda kwa hospitali upande wa afya, kitu kama dispensary kama 10 zinajengwa na zinamaliziwa. Ukienda kwa level 4 and level 3 pia tumewekea pesa. Na nikisema tumewekea pesa, nataka kusema ni governor amewekea pesa, kwa sababu proposal yote ya budget inatoka katika cabinet.
Nabagase county ya Mombasa ni gati y'abamenyi bensemeyo bagendete weso Kevin nabo igokorwa ekerero kyabo kya serikali kubwatikana n'obukongo bwa machi obwabere bakwenekigwa ase chinsemecho kulingana na barabo ningo babere bakorwa amatuko 18 gukya serikali kwenekya ngango kolere amonchilya nyamba uchikwimukiye getambukiro nigo barasoye ase okorobekana nigo bairira emichando bagwetera anene ase okogora amache ase kibesa chinyinge kigima anene chingaki bagania serikali kuimukia egetambukiro.
The last maji imeonekana ni about 3 months. Na supply ikija is erratic. Inakuja this week, haikuji next week. Tunaambiwa na watu wa water siku zetu kupata maji Mikindani ni Tuesday na Saturday. Lakini hii haikui. Tunapata maji this Tuesday, tunakaa wiki 3 hatupati maji. Watu wananunua maji yenyewe is not clean. Maji ni ya kizima.
Sisi tumechoka. Maana sisi hatuna macho, mnaona venye tunavaa siku hizi, tunajifunga kwa sababu mtungi mmoja hivi tuoka watu 3, kwa sababu bei imekuwa juu sana. Mita hapa tunadanganywa kila masaa kwamba maji itakuja Tuesday, maji haikuji katika Mikindani. Na sisi bili imekuwa nyingi, mita zinakuja zinachukuliwa tena.
Kwani serikali ilituacha? Kwani serikali inafanya kazi gani? Hatuna maji, maji inafunguliwa dakika 5 ina pressure, dakika ingine 5 inazimwa. Hiyo maji inaenda wapi? Kitu ingine tunauliza, hii maroli inauza maji fresh inatoa wapi?
Ufike nyumbani uko na mama pale, maji shida, hujaoga, mama analalamika. Hata mandoa zetu kwa nyumba zetu ambazo tunaanza maisha yavunjika kweli sababu ya maji, tunakosa maji. Mtungi kama hii tunanunua shilingi 50, shilingi 40, hiyo kubwa tunanunua 50. Kama hii tuko na watoto wawili, utaoga vipi, utakula vipi? Maisha ndio ina yamekuwa ngumu. So unajaribu kununua unga huku, pia maji huku inakulemea. Chooni pia tukiingia kwa manyumba zetu nje tunatumia. Lazima
Mwanchi murigeli yakorwa soroboti runi na ikira mwele wa mangana maya ase virebiga kulinde toskato nyegera ayuna mange no bego ko yanyora kichirara gechinsa isatom enda kutupatia sinsemo chichi mitanda sinsemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net magech kamera sokoni kuna ebichana baigeli ogira wakira sole asinchira ya bene na Petra Mukira na sinsemo chebiorokeli ni gotobetu kubwatanira Lydia Mose na ncheri ya Kerubo Frida enda kubwatia emirogili ndego cha imigeta seni Ndizi TV.